Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematic Murad Sultan Zwidi again. Let's say is looking for making an online revision for you. Okay, we start. This is the topic for short test 2. Okay, the first unit is unit 2 books grade 8 sequences, expression and formula. Unit 3 also in the same book 8, place value, ordering and rounding. Then we move to unit 4, length, mass and capacity, and unit 5 English, and unit 7 fraction. We will add here something about processing data. Okay, so presenting and okay, so we'll continue. We'll start from the beginning. Okay, this is the whole revision that I will make. Okay, so we start with multiple choice questions. Each question, let's say, carry only 1 mark, and I wish that all my learners, let's say, will focus on these questions and repeat them, and we hope so that while examining everything will be clear for them. Okay, we start. The value of this expression, this is the expression. Okay, 6 minus 5p. I will just make this bigger. Okay, just give me time. I will make it bigger. Okay, 10, 20. Okay, like that. Okay, now it's clear. I thought that every one of you can see this one. And okay, I want it to appear, yes, like that. Just a moment, I will cancel this one first. Cancel this. Okay, here again. Okay, now I'll make this appear like that. Okay, now we start. So the topic we told is okay, this is the unit we told that unit 2 is sequences, expression and formula. Unit 3 place value, ordering and rounding, and then length, mass and capacity, then English and fraction. Okay, we start learners. Okay, so here the first question is dealing with multiple choice questions. Okay, choose the letter of the correct response on the sheet. Okay, we move. The first question is that, so the question is the value of this expression 6 minus 5p 1p equal negative 3, then is equal to what? Okay, here my learners will just use this one. I will make 6 minus 5p equal 6 minus 5 multiplied by, between parentheses I will make multiplication by what? Into parentheses negative 3. Okay, why I put parentheses? Because the number is negative. I should, let's say, work, let's say, what is inside the brackets. I will just write it 6, then minus multiply by minus, learners give us, let's say, positive side. Okay, like that. So it will be equal to 6 plus 15. So 6 plus 15, it will be equal to 21. So the correct answer, learners, is 21. Okay, for the value of this expression, y minus 5p when p equal negative 3 is 21. Okay, so you will, let's say, try to find the correct answer. Here we have a equal 0, or b equal negative 17, and c equal 21, or d equal negative 5. After calculating and checking your answer, so the correct answer is 21. Clear? So I cannot color this, I don't know why. Okay, no problem. I will just make color for this one. This is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, so C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, now we move to the next one. This is the correct answer. Question number 2. Also, it's a multiple question. Angle sum in a polygon. A polygon, let's say, can have 3 sides. It will be a triangle. 4 sides, it will be quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon, and so on. Okay, so an angle sum in a polygon with 5 sides is equal to what? Here the keywords is 5 sides, okay, and the other keywords is the angle sum. So learners, you will try to use the formula, which is equal to angle sum in of let's say pentagon. Sorry, again. Okay, copy. Then I will just write it here. It will be equal between parentheses n minus 2 all multiplied by 180 degree. Clear? Okay, copy, and I will write it here. Then just calculation. Okay, I will just calculate this. Okay, so this one equal what? As n is 5, n here is 5. Okay, so n, we told that the number of sides of this polygon is 5. Okay, so I just try to substitute n by 5. Okay, learners, so I will use this one. We told that n here is 5. Okay, just a moment. So n is equal to 5. Okay, I will write it as between parentheses 5 minus 4 minus 2. I will close the parentheses, multiply by 180. Okay, of course the unit is degree, so it will be 3 multiplied by 180, which is equal to 500 and equal 540. Just calculation, learners, no need to use calculator. 540 degree, of course. This is the symbol of degree, so just place it here. Okay, and this one is written like that. So the correct answer, and the sum of a pentagon, which or a polygon with 5 sides, is equal to 540 degree. So in your opinion, you have, let's say, 4 options. The last option is 600 degree, the third is 40 degree, and the B is 540 and A is 180. So as we calculate this, so it will be 540. I'll just make this is the correct answer. Okay, just calculation. May in the exam will ask you about the angle sum in a square, in a rectangle, in quadrilateral, or in a triangle. You should prepare yourself for this kind of questions. Okay, now we move to the second part, the third part. Question number 3. The keywords here is convert, means change. Okay, change. Okay, so convert 110 meters square to centimeters square. So we should, let's say, convert this measurement 10 square to centimeters square. First of all, you should, let's say, right here, I will just write this one. Okay, or I will just copy all of this because I'm going to use that. So it will be equal control V. So first of all, 1 meter squared, 1 meter squared, Mr. Murad. No, 1 meter squared. I will just erase the 0. Yes, is equal to what? Is equal to 1,000. Equal 10,000 centimeters square. So you can see this one. I will just make translation. Then I will try to. This is 1 meter square. Means if you are going to convert, let's say, a meter square to let's say to let's say centimeter square, you should multiply by 10,000. Why? Simply because one, let's say 1 centimeter, simply because, okay, simply because I will just put this there, simply because we told 1 meter is equal to what? Is equal to 100 centimeter. Then I should multiply this 1 meter by 1 meter, gives 1 meter square, and 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter gives this one. Clear? So, and this is one. Okay, can't make colors. So I will try to multiply now. We told I should convert 10 meters square, means that you are going to multiply this by what? Multiply this 1 meter square by what? By 10,000. So you will get 100,000. Okay, we are going to add something here. Okay, 4, 5. So we have here the first option is 100,000. The second 10,000 only, 500 centimeters square, and the last one is 1 centimeter square. So my learners, the correct answer is that is A, which is 100. I'll just make color for this. How can I make color? Okay, no problem. I will just use yes, I can use this. I can use color. So it will be like that. This is the correct answer, learners, is 100,000 centimeters square. Okay. We continue the next question. We move to extend the question. Question number 2, it's called extend the question. Given the diagram below, find the value of y in this, let's say, polygon with 5 sides. Okay, with 5 sides. This is my polygon. Okay, I will just you can see that the value of y, are going to find the value of y. This is square means what? Means 90 degree, and of course here there is another 90 degree. Okay, just I will use a rose to show this for you. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, if we go up, this is also is another 90 degree. I will just put it here to show this is 90, this is 90, and this is y. So how many how many y's here? We have 2 y's. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. So we'll go back to find what the, let's say, the, I will just use what we did before, angle sum. Okay, I will make copy for this because I need it. Okay, now I'll go back to this one. This question can be solved by that. So just write what here. I can, let's say, make it small, this one. Okay, then I will reduce the length. Okay, it's clear now for you how it will be after reducing this shape. Okay, this is the shape that okay, that we are going to solve for y. So here I will just write what? Okay, the square, I can erase it now. So I will make like that. Angle sum is n minus 2 first of all. N is the number of sides. You can see this polygon has, in fact, let's say, has 5 sides. 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. So it's a polygon, not a regular polygon. This is called 90 degree. This is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. So angle sum, learners, is equal to what? Angle sum is n minus 2. The number of sides is 5. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay, it will be 3 multiplied by 180, which is equal 540 degree. So now to solve this question, I'll just make y. Okay, y plus y. Okay, plus y plus how many angle of exactly 90 degree plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 should be equal to 540 degree. Okay, I'll just make this one here. Okay, this is, it will be here and also here. Okay, this is the unit of degree, and this is also y in terms of degree. Okay, so we can see that we have 2y the unit plus what, plus you can add all of these numbers, you can add this and that, which is gives you, let's say, we'll change the color for this one. Okay, I will make blue. Okay, so 3 times 90, or 90 into 3 gives 270 degree, 270 degree. Okay, so equal what, equal 540 degree. So to find the value of 2y, I will just subtract 270 from both sides. Therefore 2y equal, therefore 2y, I will just write it here, 2y equal what, equal 540 minus 270 degree. So this one, it will be also equal to 270. You can let's say make the compact method. 540 minus 270 really gives 270. As a conclusion, we can say that 2y equal 270, 2y equal 270. Okay, 270 degree, of course. So to find the value of y, you should divide both sides by 2. Okay, therefore y equal what, therefore y is equal to 270 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2 gives, I'll just write it here, 270 degree divided by 2, then I will erase this one. Okay, equal what, equal 135 degree. So here we solve the question and we make, let's say, y as our subject, and we solve it the question. Okay, now we move to the next part. The marks of a 20-30 student are recorded in the frequency table below. This is our frequency table, and we have let's say okay, this is the frequency table or distribution sheet. So the marks, one, the frequency of getting 1 is 16, then 2 5, 3 4, and 4 5. If we are going to make the total, 4 plus 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 16 is 30. So the first question is, try to find the range. The range learners is equal to what? Largest number, okay, minus smallest. Okay, just go back to your frequency table. The largest number here, it will be, I thought I just checked, it will be, okay, it will be what? It will be, the last number is 4. So 4 minus 1. Okay, it will be equal 4 minus 1, which gives that gives 3. Okay, this is the range. Okay, this is the range, learners. Now if we move to the next question, the next question is dealing with the mean. You should find the mean. Okay, the mean equal, I'll just make over 2. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, I will use this, copy, then I should paste this here so that we can calculate the mean, because the mean, learns, is what, in fact, you already know about the formula, is the total value, let's say total, Mr. Murad, total value over what, over the number of values. Okay, so just now I will use this fact, this one equal to, so here you should multiply, let's say you should multiply 1 by 16, okay, then plus 2 multiply by 5, then you are going to also multiply 3 by 4, okay, 3 by 4, then 4, okay, 3 by 4 we told, then you should add the last one, which is 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, this is how can you find the mean. Divide by the total of the frequencies. You will add all the frequencies, you will get, let's say, 30 student, or from the beginning you can see we have 30 student. Okay, so now I'll just make my calculation. I will just write here equal what, equal we told I will make copy, we told, okay, I will erase this one, so it will be equal to the first is 1 by 16, 1 multiply by 16 plus, okay, plus what, plus 2 by 5, then 3 by 4, plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 4, then plus what, plus 3 by 4, we did it, and the last one is 4 by 5, okay, plus 4 multiplied by 5, divide by the number of, let's say, the total of frequency, which is 30. Just calculation, simple calculation, it will be equal to, okay, just give me a minute. So we told it will be equal 1 by 16 is 16, plus 2 by 5 is 10, plus 3 by 4 is 12, plus 5 into 4 is 20. So it will be 58 equal 58, control V, here there is an equal sign, equal 58 divided by 58 divided by 30, okay, by 30. So divided, we told, by 30 give us equal 1.93. okay, so this is the last answer for this question. Now we move to the next question. We have, so we told that let's say the mean is equal to total value over number of values, just multiplication, and you will get, let's say, the answer, which is 1.93. Now we move to the next question. Convert 29 over 3 to mixed number. The keyword is that to convert this to a mixed number. What is the meaning of mixed number? First, mixed number is a whole number plus proper fraction. So mixed number is a whole number HWN plus proper fraction PF. Okay, so this is the meanings. So I will just use this one. I will come as here. So this I will start converting. Okay, I will just erase this one. I will make here, I will do it here, sorry. Okay, so we told 29, okay, divided by 3. How many groups of 3 are there in 29? So 7 by 3, 21, 7 by 8 by 3, 24, and 9 by 3 is 27. So 27 subtract for 29, the remainder is 2. So I'll just write here 9, and I will write as a remainder, it will be 2 over what? Over the divisor, okay, over 3. If you want to check, my learners, you'll just do like that, okay, doing like that. We told you answer this one. Okay, for example, 9 multiplied by 3, 27, plus 2 gives the dividend, which is 29, and you should keep the same divisor. Clear? Now we move to the next part. Question number number 8. It will be, I will just reduce this one. Okay, I will try to reduce this one. We hope it will be reduced. Okay, and this one I should reduce it also. Okay, I should reduce Mr. Murad, then go to the end. Yes, okay, then I should come as here to make it small. Okay, so this is the question, or I will just okay, so here Murad explains to his learners that 600. Hello, Mr. Kamal, how are you? I'm recording, my brother, recording the revision. Sorry, yeah, I will call you later. Okay, so we told that Murad explains to his learners that 600 millimeter square is the same as of course here. Just raise this, okay, as 6 centimeters square. In your opinion, does your teacher Murad explain like that in the classroom? Check. If he's correct, you will try to write true. If it is no, you should write false. Then you should give your explanation. Okay, so we'll just reduce this one also. Okay, yes. Now we move to this. Let's check if your teacher Murad is correct or not. This is your mathematics teacher thinking of, or let's say taught you that 600 millimeter square is equal to 6 centimeters square. Okay, let's check if it is true. You should explain. If it is not, you should also give a reason. Okay, I will just make copy for this one because I need it, and I will start explaining this question. I will make here. So first of all, learners, is it true or false? So it's false. Okay, why? Simply because you already know that 6 or okay, I will use this one because 1. Oh, sorry. Go back. I will use centimeter first because 1 centimeter square is equal to what? Equal 100 millimeter square. Okay, millimeter square equal 100 millimeter square, and I should, let's say, okay, erase this one. This is what your teacher taught you in the classroom. Okay, this is true always because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, and you should square this number. You should also square the powers of 10, which is 10 all to the power 2 gives 100. So now to find 600 millimeter square is the same as centimeter. 6 centimeters square, we told that is false. Okay, now we'll correct this. 600 millimeter square is the same as what? Yes, centimeter square. Yes, this is correct. This is correct, but the question should be like that. I will just show you the question here. Okay, I will go back to this one. So 60, I'll just, yes, this is 60 millimeter square. Is it as 6 centimeter square? We told the answer is false, and this is your explanation or the reason that you should be written there. Okay, Now I will continue. We told 60 millimeters square, so it will be equal as okay, I should divide by 100, give 0.6. This is the correct answer. Okay, and this one should be figured out in your answer, but the exam it will be numbers different, of course, but I'm giving you a chance to think of the metric unit. Okay, then we move to the last part. We have around the following numbers to the given degree of accuracy. So we have so first round is the keywords here. Degree of accuracy, it will be a whole number or one decimal place. So you can see this one, learners, 69.99 to a whole number. I will work with the first digit that is after the decimal point, or the first place, the first digit in the first columns, in the 10th columns, which is 9. I will work with this. So 9 is more than 5. I should, let's say, add 1 to this one, and no need to write this again. So this one is rounded to a whole number, is 70 exactly. The correct answer is 70. Clear? Okay, now we move to the next part. Here we have a question. You should, let's say, you try to round this number to one decimal place. One decimal place means you will never work with the first place value. You should work with the second one, which lies on the 100th columns. Here we consider 3 is the digit that is in the 100 columns. You can see 3 is less than 5, so no need to round up, just round down. Means leave the decimal number as it is, but in your answer try not to figure this 3. So the correct answer is what? Is 251.5. Clear? 200 we told. 251.5, simply because 3 is less than 5. So this is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Write the following numbers in order of size from smallest to largest. Okay, here we have a set of numbers. We are looking for you to make them, let's say, we are looking for you to put them into order of size. This is 325.92. This is 23.891. This is 225.29. This is 642.89. So it's clear that this is the first number. Okay, this is, learners, is the first number, which is 23. I will make. Okay, then the second one, the second decimal number that comes after 23.891. We go back to our question. So we have 325, and this is 225. This is the second number, decimal number, that can be more than 23.891. I'll put it here. I will make comma, or without comma. Then go back to the set of numbers, decimal numbers. This is 325 is less than 642.89. This is the third number, is put in order of size, starting from the smallest first. Then the last one is clear. It will be 642.89. Okay, so now we put this set of numbers in order, starting from smallest to largest. Now we move to the next question. The nth term of a sequence is 4n minus 2, means 4 times n minus 2. The question is, write down the first 2 terms of this sequence. Okay, you are going to use the nth term of the sequence, which is 4n minus 2. I will just copy and paste it here. Just a moment. Yes, okay. I will write it here. Okay. The first term, learners, is t1, just substitution. I will replace n with 1. It will be 4 times 1 minus 2. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 is 2. So this is the correct answer. For the second term is because the question is looking for the first and the second, I will label the second term as t2, means the second term, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Okay, 4 by 2 is 8, 8 minus 1, it's clear, learners, 8 minus equal 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. Now we found, let's say, the exact value of these of these two terms, which all is equal to 7. So this is the correct answer. In the exam, this one of course will be changed. Okay, the next question, if we have, of course, if we don't have, go through this revision, and I wish that everything for you is clear. B, yes, find the 50th term of the sequence. You are going to use this one, okay, and you will change or replace n with 50. So it will be what here? It will be the answer. It will be 4 multiplied by 50 minus 2. Yes, minus 2 here. Before that, I will just check. I thought I subtract 1. Yes, this is, I should subtract minus 2, learners, because yes, minus 2, so the answer is 8. Clear? Okay. Then the next one, we move. We told the nth term, when n equal 50, it will be 50 into 4, it will be 200, minus 2 gives 198. Gives 198. This is the 50th term of the sequence. Clear? This is the 50th term of the sequence. So just substitution, equal, of course. So what else? We hope so that we finished the revision. Yes, good. So thank you for listening, and I wish this revision can help you, okay, to go through the short test too. Everything is clear for you. If you have doubt, don't hesitate that your mathematics teacher is already here to answer your questions. Thank you and goodbye.